بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to another Arabic lesson on العربية للناشئين كتاب الأول book 1. So inshallah, in our today's class we are going to be looking at the topic al-maktabatu. Al-maktabatu means the library. So here we have ad-darsu al-arba'un, that is lesson 40, al-wahdatu al-rabi'ata ashara, chapter 14. So here we have al-hiwar, that is the conversation. So this conversation is going to be between Hussam and Salah. So we have Hussam, he said, Sabahul khair. Sabahul khair means good morning. Then Salah responded and he said, Sabahun Nur. That is also good morning. So when someone tells you Sabahul Khair, good morning, you respond by Sabahun Nur. Hussamun, ila ayna tadhhabu. Where are you going to? Salahun, adhhabu ila al-maktabati. That is, I am going to the library. Hussamun, ماذا تقرأ في المكتبة? This means, what are you reading in the library? Or you can say, what do you want to read in the library? Salahun, أقرأ قصة. That is, I'll be reading a story. Salahun, هل أنت ذاهب إلى المكتبة? Are you going to the library? Ya Hussam, O Hussam. That is when we are referring to the male. When we are referring to the female, we say, هل أنت ذاهبة إلى المكتبة? Are you going to the library? Ya Zainab, for instance, oh Zainab. Then Hussam, لا أنا ذاهب إلى الفصل. This means, no, I am going to the class. عندي درس حساب. This means I have the mathematics lesson. So hisab means mathematics. Husamun ila liqa'i fil istirahati. This means he will meet again during the break time. Salahun ila liqa, he will meet again. So this is the end of the little dialogue that was between Hussam and Salahun. So now let's look at some of the exercises that are below this passage. So here, the first one we have an instruction that says, أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية. Answer the following questions. مستعينا بما تسمع, with the aid of what you hear, or بالصور, or what are on the pictures. So the first one we have, إلى أين تذهب? Where are you going to? So here you say, أذهب إلى المكتبة. I am going to the library. Number two, إلى أين تذهب? Where are you going to? So here we have the mosque. So you say, أذهب إلى المسجد. I am going to the mosque. إلى أين تذهب? Where are you going to? So this looks like the church. So you are going to say, أذهب إلى الكنيسة. I am going to the church. إلى أين تذهب? Where are you going to? أذهب إلى الملعب. I am going to the field. إلى أين تذهب? أذهب إلى الحديقة. I am going to the garden. So that is the end of that exercise. So the next one we have, استبدل كما في المثالين, exchange according to the two examples. So here we have عندي درس. I have a class. مثال الأول, example 1, هو. So now we are going to try to coin this sentence to refer to هو, which is he. So now we'll say عنده درس. He has a lesson. مثال الثاني استراحة. عنده استراحة. He has a break time or a leisure time. So here we have here عندها استراحة. She has a leisure time. Then number 2, كتاب. عندها كتاب. She has a book. Number 3, we have أنت. عندك كتاب. You have a book. So this is how we complete that exercise. So now let's look at the next one. Here we have an instruction that says, أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية. Answer the following questions. So here we have إلى أين يذهب صلاح. So this means, where is Salah going to? So here you can say يذهب صلاح إلى المكتبة. Salah is going to the library. ماذا يقرأ صلاح في المكتبة? What is Salah reading in the library? يقرأ صلاح القصة. Salah is reading the story. هل يذهب حسام إلى المكتبة? Is Husam going to the library? So here you say لا حسام يذهب إلى الملعب. No, Husam is going to the field. إلى أين يذهب حسام؟ يذهب حسام إلى الملعب. حسام is going to the field. هل تذهب اليوم إلى المكتبة? Are you going to the library today? So here you say نعم أذهب إلى المكتبة اليوم. I am going to the library today. ماذا تقرأ في المكتبة? What are you reading in the library? So here you can say أقرأ الكتب في الملعب. I am reading the books in the library. So this is how to do this exercise. So now let's look at the next one. Here we have an instruction that says استبدل كما في المثالين. Exchange according to the two examples. So here we have أقرأ الكتاب في المكتبة. I read the book in the library. المثال مثال الأول الفصل. أقرأ الكتاب في الفصل. I read the book in the class. مثال الثاني القصة. أقرأ القصة في الفصل. I read the story in the class. So in the exercise number 1 we have الفناء. Now we say أقرأ القصة في الفناء. الفناء means the environment, that is the open place. So I read the story in the open space. Number 2 الدرس. أقرأ الدرس في الفناء. I read the lesson in the open space. So number 3 we have الحديقة. أقرأ الدرس في الحديقة. I read the lesson in the garden. So this is how we are expected to do this exercise. And inshallah, we are going to end our today's lesson here. And in our next class, we are going to complete the remaining exercises on this passage. We hope we enjoy the lesson. See you in the next one. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء.